What's up everybody, Red Dog here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be playing Car Crushers, and I'm going to just be driving the car, some cars around, seeing the new abilities, see if anything has changed, and probably if you guys actually stay tuned, we can probably get this. Where's my mouse? This car. So I need to get that car. But first, guys, I have to give you a favor. I've uploaded 4 videos on my YouTube channel. And I was hoping our goal was for our first video. Our goal was to just get 10 subscribers. And we're on our way. We're one subscriber off to 5. We have 4 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys for subscribing. And you guys can subscribe if you want. And also, might as well just hit those notifications so you guys never miss out on my videos. And also, please consider hitting that like button. We're trying to get to 10 likes on this video. If we can do that, I will upload me and my brother having a battle and what is it called? Military Combat Tycoon. If we hit 10 subscribers, 10 likes, if we hit 10 likes on this video, I will do a duel with my brother at Military Combat Tycoon. I'll be going live, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So where we left off, we broke this car and we got the monster truck with the spoiler on. So we need to get up to this bad boy. This guy. Definitely a drag car, and it's definitely made for speed. It tops out at 500 miles per hour, and this tops out at 190 miles per hour. So that's pretty slow for a car, for a monster truck. Well, that's pretty fast for a normal monster truck. Because normally monster trucks go to around about 50 to 100 miles per hour. So this one, I'm stuck on. What? I have no PvP on. No, I have no PvP on. My PvP is not active. Oh well. So we just need to destroy this car to be able to get the new car. So boom. Watch it blow up. There we go. Now I'm just gonna have a little quick run, see if this is actually good. Look at it. It's made for speed. Well, no, it's not. It's not really made for speed. It's just. Oh yeah, that one sucks. That one sucks. No. We're not doing that one. Like, look at the interior. Look at the interior. Doesn't the interior just look epic? Steering wheel doesn't work. Jammed. Is my sound all the way up? No. Ooh. Oh, we just fixed that. There we go. So of course, every single video, we have to test out the suspension. Alright, actually no, screw the suspension. Let's see if we can defeat the leap of death. And if we can still drive it, that's perfect. But if we can't, no. No way, we're just gonna destroy it. Okay, so rocket boost. Come on, into the tube. Front flip. And it's able to drive. And we still have the rocket boosters. Oh yeah, can we get down? I don't think we can. No, we have to do this. I don't know how this works. Do you guys know? I don't know. But I can't get out. Guys, how do I get out without ruining this? I'm trying my best to get out. Is this seriously not made? Oh, backward. So we went back on our wheels. I think we have to use the booster for this. Climb that wall. Never mind. Oh! Object hunt. Look for the chest. Oh, nice backflip. Right. Let's go reset this truck. Let's go find this chest. So we haven't seen the. So this one's a new. This one's new. Look for a chest. Okay. Looking for a chest. Like, how big is it? Is it like big or is it small? How big is it? Ah. This is not the type of car that you want to be looking for a chest. Very hard to move. Ow. I feel like it's over here, but also I don't feel like it's over here. Let's go look somewhere else. The image looks like it's over there, but I don't think it's over there. I don't think it's over there. So let's keep searching. I'm trying to look for it. I'm having no sign of luck, and we just tipped over. Alright, keep walking. We must find this chest. We won't find it. Where the fuck is this chest? Guys, I can't find this fucking chest. Where is it? Oh no, someone found it. Dang it. Someone found it. Right, well, let's crash and... Well, there we go. Okay, I was going to... Let's go in here. Let's launch the nuke. Oh, hi Bailey. I'm stuck. Jason, Bailey's there. Alright, so... Let's turn this on. So I'm waiting. Put this to max. And watch the nuke down. There you go. Right, it didn't do that much. Didn't do that much damage. But you know what this damage? Well, doing some tricks. Doing tricks is the most fun way to just ruin this thing. Or, potentially, we can go for the crash test. Now, do I have it on wrong? Medium. Right, that's good. Pop, 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 pop. Oh no. That was bad. Boom. Right. What up? Let's reset it. Right. Or, second favorite thing. Just go ahead. Brought in a bonus area. Because that means... Oh god, I hate climbing with this new robot pack. While you guys mention in one of my videos, you should put the robot emote. So I did it, and it's very hard to just climb up ladders. Right, we got a new vehicle, and what is it? Okay, a tank. We've got a tank. Why? We do, and we can't. Oh no, we can't put a spoiler on it. I'm being funny as hell. Put a spoiler on. This would have been fine. Oh god, I remember how hard it is to just simply move. Alright, what's going here? Well, is this just a single one blunder? Or the blunders? Right, it's the blunders, not the single blunder. I thought it was the blunders. Oh god, get up. Guys, you're gonna be seeing me having hard difficulties. Just simply climbing up these stupid ladders. I don't know why you guys told me to put it on, but I did. And it's hard as. The climbing emote, I should really change. The climbing one affects it so much that I can't even do anything. That's it. Wait, let's put this on full ball. And then, boom. Crush that tank. Good. Make the process go easier. Yep, might as well put it on fire. I glitched. I'm in the blender. Alright. I don't like the tank. The tank sucks. I don't like tanks. Tanks are hard to control, and I don't understand how people deal with tanks. And I don't know how people, like, watch. Well, yep. Is it my speed? No, I can't put my speed off. So that means ah, god, get the hell off. Dang it. No. And there we go. The thing is absolutely destroyed. Starting the world dance. Please tell me after this is not another tank. I do not like the tanks. The tanks are slow and hard to control. Thank God we didn't get a tank. We're 1, 2, 3. We're 5 cars away from the new vehicle. Oh god. Hey, we got this guy. I want to put it here. First we'll put it for here. Alright, then I did this. The struggle, and it's absolutely disintegrated. Okay then. I can't speak today. Come on. Suck it all up. There we go. Alright, we're just having a little fun. Oh, we're still... Oh. We're frozen. All these car crashes will add soon, what do you call? Motorbikes. That'll be cool. Let's screw the suspension time. We're going to the leap of death. Don't damage the car. But there's gotta be damage that way. Never know, and oh, will we flip it up? No, we can't, and the car is done for. Let's just blow it up. Say it was never. I think it was never the battle. I nearly hit that wall. Now let's go see if it would actually work on this. Oh, let's see how good it is. Alright. You know what? No. Screw it. We need to get the new car. Not muck around, we need to get the new car. Because that's the whole entire point of this video, getting that new car. I don't know which one's better. I think this one's the quickest. Because it has a black hole. There we go, we got, oh no, not a tank. I don't want a tank. Why tank? Why you give me a tank? Oh well, we need to destroy this as fast as possible. Then we'll get a different tank, okay. Alright, I don't like it. Whoa. Speaking of I don't like it, it's hard to control. Oh god. Can I just simply get in? It's not fun. I'm not enjoying this. Please give me enough to just... I don't want to drive this anymore. No. We need to keep driving this vehicle. I don't like it. Yeah, pull it for the shredder. There you go. It's in the shredder. Go on. Get up. Get up. Oh! Get your ass up there, you motherfucker. Fucking hell. Please tell me that's enough. No, it's not. What? Pull for you. Who won? I can pull. Okay, get the fuck in. Thank you. Yay! Screw this car. We're going for this. We're going for this one. Is this also like a tank? No, I actually have control. Yes. It's kind of like a tank, but not really a tank. Oh, I want in. Minigun. What do you do? Minigun, what do you do? That was absolutely terrible. Oh. I don't know what happened there. But the entire game just froze. Once I have this new car, we're gonna test it out. And that's gonna be the end of the video.
Explosion imminent.
Oh God, why? Where? Where? Yeah. Skip to the part. Where's the vehicle located? I saw good one. Okay. It's not gonna take me that long since I'm in big beefy car. They're only good. I don't know if I'm gonna make it in time. I'm in. Yes. Dude, get in! Get in! Again, I swear to God, that's not gonna work. Get that. Oh my God, if he comes out. Oh, they're still in! Oh, he found a seat. Okay, we got a new car. We got a new car. We got a new car. Alright, good. Good. But I need us to like. I need to keep going. Dang it. Ew. Oh, I'm T-posing. This ragdolling? Wait, have they added ragdoll? I'm forgetting. Did they have ragdoll? Always. Can't. Yes. Start over. High graphics. High and beautiful graphics. 1, 2. We're 2 cars off. We're 2 cars off. No, let's do the roof. Let's do the roof for... which one's better? Yeah, this one's better. We're so close. I'm so close. Come on, get up. I really hate. What is? We were up. Get up. Why? Why do you not want to get up? Oh my god, get up. I hate this. I hate this so much. Yeah, I'm just gonna blow this up. It's remaining. I have to wait now. Alright, we got the blenders again. There it goes. What is it then? Sick drift. I don't see it. Then we'll go for big beats. Actually, no. Copyright. That would be hacking copyright. I got this. And it's a tank. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be a tank? Because tanks are the most great vehicle in the whole entire world, am I right? They're so good in car crashes. No, they're not, they're not. And this one's absolute garbage. Look, that much. This one does more. This one does more. We're super close to this. We need it. Black hole goes in. There's the black hole. Meow. And there we go. Look at that and now this video might be long since it's taking me a while. Yes, you guys also have to watch for this long. I don't know how to edit. So if I knew, I could. And yes, I also do get bored when something goes on for a while. Okay, We have one more tank. We have a tank in front of us. And then we have a car, and then what we have all been waiting for, the new vehicle. And then I'm going to take all the vehicles for a spin on the dirt track. Come on. We're so close. Easy button. Thank you. Start up. Tread this car. So close. Let's go into the grinder. Gives us more shit. No! Dang it. Let me up. Let me the fuck up. Nope. Let me up. Why what's happened? I will get rid of these. I can't get up. Guys, you do not know how hard it is to climb up a simple ladder. Grab onto the bars, my character. It's just like, no. Grab the fuck on to these fucking bars. Get the fuck on. Thank you. Took you like 1 million years. Oh wait, no. Is this our last car? Wait, no, after this, this is. Like, did we seriously just... Oh yeah. This is our last car, guys. Last car of the day. First off, we have to get 250. Right, get in there, Carl. Crunch that up. There we go. Now what's this one? Ooh. This one's cool. Can I go down or up? I have to go up. Of course I do. Game wants me to suffer. Boom. Well, it did more. Is my car absolutely demolished, or is it not? I forgot those ragdolling. Nah. We need. I'm trusting you, car. We need to get a new. We need to get the new car. Oh my god, we were so close. We were so close. I heard a bomb. I don't know if this is the longest video I've ever recorded. Don't fall on car. And of course, these pieces of shit ladders. Now my character won't even climb. swear to God. I think this video would have been much more shorter if I knew how to edit and climb. Because it won't take me that long. Let's just fall down. Yeah, the whole entire thing ain't blowing up. I need to blow it up. Let me just put this in here. Suck it up. And we got it, guys. We have got the new car. How unbelievable. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'll go upload another video of this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And also make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys want, and turn those notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Boop.